Wagwan, everybody.
Pira, kira, pura, chura.
You know, Jamaica is Irie.
Drift, pira, pira, pira.
Pamparat, Welakintere Kankarat, Benapina Bena Pamparo.
Okay, today I wanted to speak about the dancing in Jamaica.
It's the hot topic, you know. At first, I came to a club in Jamaica.
Yeah.
I saw all the twerking thing and I was amazed by that, you know. I wanted only to sit there and watch people,
Everyone.
like see all the
From the beginning, okay, we're the YAMAN girls. We're Israeli from Israel, from Israelites, and we came to Jamaica in order to make music and to vlog and to show you our way to the music and just to have fun because girls just want to have fun.
right, like the comment, you know, we know you.
Yeah.
We're watching you sing, you know.
So for the beginning, we wanted to speak about dancing in Jamaica, and we have a bar as exhibit. She will show you the difference between Israel and Jamaica in dancing, okay? Start with Israeli dancing, okay? This is like the music, and Israeli dancing is more like this, okay? Like, show me one person in Jamaica who dances like that. No one, right? So if you will go to the dance floor in Israel, exhibit. Exactly. And we have Jamaica. When we reached to Jamaica, we were
wow.
so shocked because it's not how we used to, you know. We will explain to you later. But Jamaica, it's more like Jamaica. It's more like
I will be the man.
No, I wanna be the man. Oh, yeah, you're good. I wanna be the man. The man is like that.
Right.
So it's so different. Like in Jamaica, you have a cool vibe of dancing. In Israel, you have a lot of fears. People in Israel,
They criticize themselves all the time
about
with
how
the...
they dance, and they
Yeah.
don't like to dance because they feel their socks. And they
Also
don't
in
want-
Jamaica, you know,
Right.
I've learned that
Yeah, people who they don't want.
if they don't know the dance, they don't want to dance in the dance floor. So maybe it's a bit similar.
Let's see. When we landed in Jamaica first, you know, the Holy Land, the second Holy Land. We got into a dance floor,
Right.
into a party, and we saw.
Not only that the DJ was like, rah, 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 rah.
Yeah, what are you, everybody?
We were afraid a bit.
But when we saw the dancing, we saw like the twerking, we were like, wow, like the courage, wow. We were amazed, we were shocked, I saw girls on the floor just like lay down and just twerking, and a
sexual.
guy on them, and they're like, I'm going to put videos, you have to. And in Israel, it's no way.
No way.
No way.
If I'm dancing belly dancing,
Like a bit.
something a bit bare, people will look at me like, you are so
Yeah.
provocative.
Yeah.
No.
And to do it work on a guy.
Oh, this is in a bedroom and not only there. Like you are a shy like.
And I'm wondering, like, you as a Jamaican, okay, audience people, your parents also did it? It's like, you don't mind to do it work beside your dad or your mom? I have, because for me to do something like that, okay, for example, I'm going with friends and I'm doing a bit like twerk or whatever at home, or I don't know, in Jamaica I open up a bit, so I did
Yeah.
a bit, you know, like I've learned. But to do it in front of my parents, now, like, I don't know, in front, to just do twerk on something. No.
Remember that we've been in a house party in Jamaica
Which
in
one?
the hills in Kingston, and there they did they played a game
yeah.
with the sexuality position, and then they were so shy to show the
Yeah,
sexuality
like
position.
we had a game that you need like to take, for example, a note, and in the note written what position you need to show to
Yeah,
all
a
the
sex
people. Demonstrate with the one partner that they choose, okay? So when they did to them, like for example, 69
The missionary
or
and the
whatever.
missionary, they were so shy to show. So me and Daya demonstrated this, remember? And I like, why are you so shy? You are doing
This is not
in the dance.
embarrassing,
Yeah, in the dance floor, it's like more
than
embarrassing
more
than
than that, like literally, like.
And I'm like, how can you be shy there and not there? Like, what is the difference? And I asked them, and I asked them, and they told me, No, this is dancing.
And this one
this
is
is not
sex,
sex
it's different.
dancing. It's different.
But for us, it's
So I want to ask you people, this is different because I don't look at this as a different
I
thing.
cannot see it as a different because you're doing the same thing, and also
Yeah.
I cannot do it in front of my parents. I don't know. I'm worried about that. Can you? Can you? Like, it's not embarrassing to do that. I don't know. I see the girls, and I'm jealous that they know how to move like that. They move, wow. Okay, wow. Like, I don't know how they have these
They
muscles.
control everything.
How they have these muscles on their legs. Yeah,
It's
like,
so unique.
okay, I will learn. I've learned a bit in Jamaica. They taught me. But I'm saying, like, is it okay to do it in front of your parents? Like, if you will see your kid do that, is it like
It's okay.
regular? It's fine. Like,
You're not criticize them about that, like they are provocative.
So in Israel, it's really about the provocative situation. But me and Bar, we went for 2 weeks ago to a Jamaican party in Israel. It was really cool. It was a lot of Israeli who loves dancehall, and all the dance floor was with people who are in love with Jamaica.
And they did also the DJing, but in Hebrew.
But in Hebrew, so
Yeah, so
finally
it
we
was
understood,
cool.
so it was cool. When it's in Patois, it's not cool because we don't understand, but when it's in Hebrew, it's cool.
But we are starting to learn, you know.
Yeah, we learn the culture, but
Yeah, Wagwan.
but there in the party, like people really did also, like the girls were like on twerks and like
Yeah.
stuff, and it was cool because they are really good. Although most of them they were black.
Of course. No, there was one girl that wasn't.
Yeah, but
She was good
they
also.
were really good. And I asked them, "Have you ever been in Jamaica?" And they were like, "No, we have it on our gene. You know, this is our
part of our
gene. This
gene."
is we're part of the people. You know." And the other people, they were, yeah, we've been in Jamaica and we love Jamaica. Every year we fly there, and it's like people who really love Jamaica. It was cool to see that because we feel like we have a community.
Yeah, we felt home.
We felt home. But I don't know, this dancing, I'm like, okay, they did it in Jamaica. I feel like me and Bob, we open up a bit more. We're open to, because when you see all the people dance, you're like, okay, maybe I will move also. Maybe I will whine a bit, you know? Maybe. But then when I'm back in Israel and everyone does, I'm like, how can I be pervert and like do something sexual, you know?
But also I've been watching you guys and you girls.
Ooh, where? Wow.
Jamaica, in Jamaica.
Okay.
I look at you because I love dancing, and I really it's part of my spirit and soul. And I wanted to learn, and I wanted to take a bit of grooving.
Wow.
And I understood
Our
that
dream.
people doesn't. When I'm going to the dance floor, I feel this is my
Comfort zone.
yeah, and I want to dance. Whatever song you have, and I'm moving, and I pay attention that nobody is doing that unless
Only when there's a song.
yeah, a song with a specific dance.
Yeah.
And
So for
when you
example-
and then you dance in groups, but you're not just going to the dance floor
Just
and this is
flow.
something that happened in Israel. So it's something that I like because I like to just flow.
But I feel like it's something also that when you're in Jamaica in the beginning of the party and no one is drunk, they're not moving till you have a song that, like, you know, you have a dance for it and then they start to move. But when they're getting drunk a bit more, like the party start, they move. They start to move.
Yeah.
And in Israel, it's also like that. Like in the beginning of the party, it takes time to people to, you know, put a gas. You
Yeah.
start with drinking and then at one you see people more
It's only
moving.
because they have drinking in their
Maybe,
body.
maybe. But I feel
Like
Jamaica,
alcohol.
like their move. We went once with a dancer to a party in Jamaica, and he was really like, he said that they are not dancing only if there is a specific song that you have a dance and you know the dance, but how we move with the groove of the
only just standing like that.
music is like that.
I'm like, wow, I can't.
The move is.
You understand that you're cool or not?
Maybe
I
not.
just no, huh? I just want you to
No, maybe. Yeah. So if someone can teach us how to dance, like
and Patois.
we would like.
We can schedule, you know.
And by the way, I remind you, if you haven't heard our song, Trauma, now we uploaded it to YouTube and TikTok. Wow, finally.
Yeah, finally.
So this is the time, and we're working on our second song, so don't worry, don't worry.
We just
With
want
the
to
video
release
clip,
it.
with the
Yeah,
video clip.
already.
So we're keep moving, you know?
Yeah.
Keep moving.
We need to have a clip also to Trauma, you know.
And yeah, we will do. We will do. It takes time, you know, and money that... hopefully we could do that all our life, the music, and to, you know,
Yeah,
because
share with you.
It works. It's worth it. Like,
I love it.
I love to do that. So we love you a lot, and thank you for all the support. And we'll see you soon, very soon, more soon,
Soon.
sooner than you think.
Soon.
Bye.